Hi guys, welcome to Valley Ford. My name's Ben. I'd love to show you through a walk-around video on our 2017 Ford Mustang GT 5-litre we have here. This one here is absolutely stunning. It's only just come back on the market. The minute it came in, it did get sold. But I'd love to show you through it. It is available on the market now. So looking right over, it does have the fiberglass bonnet. It does have cold air induction system. It's got one little chip just here on the bonnet. Through the rest of the bonnet's in really clean order. You got some minor chips just on the fiberglass and the lower skirt, which is just across the lower part. Other than that, there's nothing on the main part of the bumper bar. This lower bit is just an add-on to the bumper bar. Through the side here, just one little stone chip just here. That's all I can really pick on this side. Down through, there's no marks on the first premium alloy wheel. It's in really good condition. Coming up the side, the only thing I could really pick is there's just a little bit of marking just here on the paintwork, but other than that, it is quite straight and clean. As you can see through the side, there's no marks on the sign writing sticker. It does have the GT logo, the 5-litre down the side here, and this skirt is an updated skirt, so it does have vents right through. Coming through this side, there's no marks on that door. This customer was part of the Mustang Owners Club, and they do love their cars. He's also updated the current sink unit in it. So it does have current sink, full black leather trim, as you'd expect. Through the left-hand rear premium alloy wheel, there's no marks on that alloy as well, and nothing on the rear quarter through the side. The one great thing is just really stunning finish through the paintwork and through the body on these things. Down through here, it does have the Mustang Performance blower exhaust system, which sounds absolutely awesome. Harrop modifications, which is the cold air induction system. You do get the ducktail on the back, and it does have the rear fin at the top of the window. Down through this side of the car, there's no marks across the rear bumper bar. Down through the side here, there's nothing through that I can really stand out through the side of the car. On this premium alloy wheel, there's no marks. Down through the side, a couple of stone chips just down here, but nothing minor. It's all very minor through there. As you can see, no door dents whatsoever. And down to the right hand front, there's no marks on that alloy wheel. As you can see inside, really clean through the leather, and they do give you quite a lot of other options. So you do get the multi-function steering wheel, so it does give you some options, as in pedal shift auto, so you can change gears off here, auto wipers. You do get your radio controls just down here to the side, and it does have the cruise control. Upgraded sync system with a reverse camera, heated and cooled seats, and you do get the 2 keys with this car as well. This one has been fully serviced by Bayfords and is currently full up to date with its servicing. So I'd like to thank you for joining us on our walk around video on this car. We do have a range of finance and mechanical protection plans to protect your asset. So please contact us on 5173 3888. That's 5173 3888. We can deliver it to you in Melbourne, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.